Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic of a flower in just 5 minutes. You can buy this template from Patreon link in the description below. So first of all, you're going to insert an oval like this. You're going to remove its outline, duplicate it and decrease that oval size and width as well. We're going to then put it inside this oval, but we're going to touch both of their bottoms and we're gonna just put them into the middle of our slide and the center. Let's change their fill, and for the background oval we're just gonna give it a dark fill, and for the inner oval we're gonna use a lighter shade of the same color. Here you go. We're gonna give them the shadow on the fifth number and duplicate the same shapes, and we're gonna just rotate them. Here you go. Put this downwards in the bottom part, duplicate it again and rotate it like this onto the left side, and we're going to duplicate it again and rotate it onto the right side. But this looks too much rotated, so we're just going to go back and then we'll flip it horizontally. You can rotate them manually if you want, and we're going to make another two duplicates of the same shapes and put them on the top. Here you go. Next, we're gonna customize the colors of each of these shapes, and you're just gonna customize their colors. The background oval is gonna be a darker shade, and the inner oval is gonna be a lighter shade. So I'll just speed up the process from here so your time is not wasted. Yeah, so now we're gonna just select them and move them to the left side of our slide, and then insert a circle in the middle and center of these shapes. We're gonna give it a fill of white, and we're gonna then customize our other petals, and we're just gonna insert text box in it, and let's just insert a text box in each of the petals and give numbers to them one by one. For the first one we're gonna use number 1, and for the second one we're gonna use number 2, and similarly we're just gonna give them numbering. And you can use this color, whichever color you want. So I have used the lighter colors in the petals, so we're just going to use black fields so we can clearly see what is in the petal and what numbering it is. Next, we're going to insert a text box in the circle as well, which is going to be our main title. You can write anything in it, but I'm going to use flower as a placeholder. Next, we're going to insert a small circle right here, and then we're gonna put it right on top and insert our text boxes and other stuff in our slides. So I'm just gonna speed up from here as well because I don't want to waste your time. So let's just speed up the process from here. All you have to do is just insert circles as bullet points and insert your title and your content text, which is all that is remaining to be done on this slide. Yeah, so now all is done, and this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.